The Ethereum Classic cost has been bullish starting from the start of 2023 in the wake of going through a lofty negative pattern all through 2022 with the preceded with pattern. The cost is accepted to recover the following objective past $50 before long that might empower the cost to arrive at past vital opposition in 2023. The drive up is being developed movement and hash rate raises some worry which is accepted to bounce back as the negative opinions fades. Ethereum Classic value history. Ethereum Classic was sent off as a fork of the primary Ethereum chain in July 2016 following a significant DAO hack. With its local token and so on, it started to exchange at around 66 cents in 2018 and flooded high to reach $2.14. It further took off high in 2017 and denoted the highs around $47.77 toward the end, yet immediately cut hard to end the year. The cost exchanged inside a remedy stage for the following several years and denoted the bottoms of the cycle around $4 in WAC 2020. This was the point at which the cost bounced back immovably and lighted a bull run that won all through 2021 to arrive at the highs at $176. However, horribly confronted areas of strength for a presently. The and so on cost is making a respectable attempt to ascend past the combined reach, yet is confronting huge negative activity to Ethereum Classic specialized examination. The and so forth cost has been exchanging inside a negative triangle from recent months, and as of late market the bottoms along the lower support. The cost is endeavoring to cut through the upper obstruction in the wake of going through a bounce back from the lows, yet is terrified to confront a dismissal and drop back towards the help after going through a pullback. The cost might observe a striking bounce back that might help the cost to get through the opposition and imprint new 2023 near $25. However, the bears have stood firm on these footholds from October 2022 and pushed the cost bring down each time, and consequently in the event that the bulls stay frail then a dismissal could be unavoidable. Outline of Ethereum Classic on-chain investigation. Ethereum improvement action. The improvement movement incorporates the organization redesigns, the advancement with the basics, and the improvement group sending off new highlights to fortify the stage. The action was stamping highs no matter what the cost pattern that remained to a great extent negative over time. After the levels dropped to absolute bottom levels, the action rose eminently yet stayed inside moderate levels. Merchants keep a nearby watch on the measurements as they find out about the forthcoming pattern. Social strength. The social strength of a token is the quantity of notices, posts being flowed inside the virtual entertainment stage. However, concerning the main 100 token, an ascent in friendly strength implies the posts or notices of the token are more contrasted with that of the main 100 tokens. Consequently, it is named as rising strength, which is seen with Ethereum Classic as of late. In the meantime, the predominance likewise dropped essentially 2 or multiple times yet stayed inside normal levels. The Ethereum hash rate stayed inside the base levels for a seriously prolonged stretch of time until the second biggest crypto Ethereum went through a progress. After the Ethereum Union, wherein the organization moved from POW to POS, the digger bounced into the and so on chain in enormous numbers, which heightened the hash rate generally. In any case, not long after the occasion, the hash rate has been continually dropping, denoting a decrease in the mining movement. Understand more. Top crypto DAO undertakings. Ethereum Classic value expectation for 2023. Ethereum Classic cost had been recuperating great in Q1 2022 and came to $50 when the negative wave cut the cost hard. The worth of the token dropped vigorously, denoting the base at around $12. From that point forward, the cost has kept a good rise and is attempting to break the negative example. The cost might remain to a great extent solidified for an additional couple of months, and toward the finish of Q2 2023, an outstanding rise might start, pursuing a comparative direction. The final part of 2024 may likewise remain generally bullish, and the levels might ascend past $30 to $35. Toward the finish of the yearly exchange, the cost might accomplish levels near $40 or $45, and a lengthy bullish push might try and raise the cost past $50. Ethereum Classic value expectation for 2024. The cost, on the off chance that it neglects to reach $50 in 2023, may surely stamp these levels in the initial not many long periods of 2024. Here a minor negative activity might upset the advancement of the meeting. Yet in the end, the token might continue with a rise subsequent to enduring a minor negative activity. Toward the finish of the primary portion of 2024, the and so forth cost could go between $68 to $75. Pushing forward, the final part of 2024 is accepted to light a bull run, however, with a brought down pace than that of 2021. The costs are accepted to ascend past $100 in a brief time frame and immediately gain levels past $110. Nonetheless, before the year's over 2024, the bears might constrain the cost to drop near $100, however may not drag the cost underneath these levels. Ethereum Classic value expectation 2025 to 2030. The Ethereum Classic value seems by all accounts, to be bullish in nature in the long haul. The cost in the wake of encountering a remarkable rise all through 2024 is accepted to go through an outstanding revision work in 2025, however, support levels above $85. Further, the year 2026 and 2027 is accepted to stay inside a climbing union and reach $150 toward the finish of 2027. Further, during 2028, the cost levels are accepted to be expanded and structure new ATH above $200 in the blink of an eye. Nonetheless, the bulls are accepted to have kept up with huge strength, and thus regardless of the bullish strain, the rise could proceed. Toward the finish of 2029, the cost might have ascended past $300, while it might make a solid attempt to arrive at levels near $500 in 2030. Would it be a good idea for you to put resources into Ethereum Classic in 2023? Ethereum Classic is as yet dealing with the first chain where Ethereum was established. The token is to a great extent viewed as underestimated, as it has not yet checked $500 in its exchanging history regardless of being a crude chain. Thus, an immense chance of lighting an imminent bull run could be on cards that might inspire the cost past wanted level. Nonetheless, prior to putting resources into and so on or some other token, a profound investigation of cryptos and the business sectors is an unquestionable requirement with a nearby perception of the cost development. What will Ethereum Classic be worth in 2023? The and so on cost might run between $25 to $32 toward the finish of 2023. What will be the value of one Ethereum Classic in 2030? The and so forth cost might exchange between $280 to $350 toward the finish of 2030. Will Ethereum Classic at any point hit $500? The token gives off an impression of being bullish in nature in the long haul and consequently may arrive at these levels sooner rather than later. Is Ethereum Classic a protected speculation? The Ethereum Classic has been holding over the vital help each time it plunges further and rapidly bounce back. Subsequently could be a wise speculation choice. Yet a solid industry information is basic prior to going into an exchange.